Most common fields which use AI. Artificial intelligence is commonly used in wide range of fields like smartphones, social media platforms, e-commerce, autonomous vehicles, security and surveillance, entertainment industries, navigation, banking and financial sectors, smart homes, etc. Smartphone industry. Today, smartphones come preloaded with AI-based special features. Currently, most of the features of AI in smartphones are dedicated to security, power efficiency, and photography. Right from the lock security, there is AI in many applications. To unlock your smartphone, you use face recognition, the process which needs the computer vision tool of AI. Similarly, the voice-enabled assistant like Google Assistant or Siri uses natural language processing tool of AI. We have already discussed the know-how of some of the applications that use artificial intelligence such as Siri, Alexa, Netflix, Google Maps, etc. AI has influenced many sectors like finance, healthcare, education, transportation, etc. Let us now discuss the impact of AI in various sectors. Social media platforms. AI is extensively used in social media platforms to serve personalized content. These sites monitor the way you use the features that they provide and record the way you use it. This data is used to create ads that are customized according to your preferences.
For example, social networking site Facebook uses AI to detect content having graphic violence, etc.
It also helps to understand the psychology of a person. Banking and financial sector. AI helps the banks and financial sectors in various ways. AI predicts future scenarios by analyzing past user experiences. This way, it suggests the bank for future outcomes and trends. It also helps banks to identify frauds and detect anti-money laundering patterns. AI assistants, such as chatbots, use artificial intelligence to generate personalized financial advice and natural language processing to provide instant self-help customer service. E-commerce. AI in e-commerce helps in interactive and personalized buying experience. With the AI-enabled systems, companies can see their customers' preferences and can boost their sales by reliable and customized shopping experiences. AI helps in the real-time database analysis to predict the number of customers willing to buy a new product, and also helps in running a cashierless store. Autonomous vehicles. The autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars use cameras, radars, sensors, and artificial intelligence to travel from one place to another without human intervention. Autonomous driving is one of the key applications of AI. The sensors generate massive amount of data to make decisions like humans. Security and surveillance. For security and surveillance, AI program functions by using computer vision. The video surveillance cameras have AI programs that analyze images and audio in order to recognize humans, various objects, vehicles, and actions. The artificial intelligence program sends an alert if it detects some unusual activities breaking the set rules. Navigation. Google Maps are the best examples of use of AI in navigation. Google Maps use machine learning domain of AI to generate predictions of traffic patterns and live traffic conditions based on the sets of data. It now provides real-time tracking data and can forecast delays in hundreds of cities worldwide. Autonomous drones. Autonomous flying machines or drones use computer vision technology to hover in the air while avoiding objects to keep moving on the right path. And now artificial intelligence, AI, is used in drones to make this flying machine even smarter. From security surveillance to aerial view monitoring, autonomous drones are now used by online retail giant Amazon to deliver products at the customer's doorstep, revolutionizing the transportation and delivery system by logistics and supply chain companies. Healthcare. AI in healthcare is used to diagnose ailments, treat patients, develop new drugs, provide personalized medicines, monitor and take care of patients. AI-based healthcare products include mental health care chatbots like Shim, Wobot, Wise, Toss, and TheraChat. These apps can track the emotions of the patient and then suggest exercises and provide psychoeducation too. Education. Education sector can highly benefit with the use of AI. Now primarily, it's being used as a tool to develop skills and test systems. Today, essay grading systems are in place to grade the children's thoughts in its primary stage. It can also be used in providing individualized learning, which is a challenging task at teachers' level. These systems respond to the needs of a student, putting greater emphasis on certain topics, repeating things that students haven't mastered, and generally helping students to work at their own pace, whatever that may be.